When I first came here, they were talking about how they were lucky that we never had to use wood siding anymore because James Hardie came along and gave us this durability exterior finish that could withstand the harsh weathers in different climates.
From one hot extreme to one cold extreme, we've got the climate zone products, but ours are going to be dimensionally stable. They're not going to shrink and warp and crack, which ultimately is going to help you retain the look, the paint, on the project better. Because if the material's not moving and not shrinking or expanding, it's going to look the same for years to come.
So whether I'm using James Hardie in Texas or I'm using it in Connecticut, it still gives me a A+ appearance on my product.
There's a multitude of different styles and thicknesses, so that allows them to kind of differentiate themselves and be different from just that cookie cutter approach.
Many of the projects that we have designed over the years that have a cedar siding or the composite siding and gets replaced in 10 or 15 years. It increases the maintenance that we just don't have with the Hardie siding.
These architects are going to have their name on a particular project for at least 12 years, so that durability, longevity is going to be paramount. You can't design something for only a couple years. It's got to last a long time and it's got to look good for a long time. James Hardie is a pretty integral part of that.